Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace rear wiper on Cadillac SRX, full guide. Start by lifting the wiper arm off the glass carefully and locating the small release tab on the blade connector. Press the tab while sliding the old blade off the hook or clip, keeping fingers clear of the glass edge to avoid damage. Prepare the new blade by aligning its adapter, then slide it into place until you hear a secure click. With the arm lifted, depress the blade release tab and slide the old wiper off the arm hook or clip in a steady motion. Keep a firm grip on the arm so it does not spring back and hit the glass. Place the removed blade aside and inspect the arm end for corrosion or bent parts, cleaning with a cloth if needed before installing the replacement blade to ensure a snug, smooth fit. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car guides. Quick recommendation. I spotted a great sock deal. Socks life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, and they make kneeling while you work a little nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals mentioned, then now let's get back to the video. Align the new blade's adapter with the arm hook, then slide it on until you feel or hear the locking click that signals proper engagement. Lower the arm gently back to the glass to avoid sudden contact that could crack the window. Turn on the vehicle and test the rear wiper through a complete cycle, checking for streaks, noise, or looseness, and reseating the blade if any issue appears for safe, reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.